Hi, I'm Caroline from Spectrum. In this video, we'll be unboxing and setting up the 13-inch Spectrum Crystal Luxe lighting kit. In the box, you'll find a welcome pack and two of everything: the carry bags, the Crystal Luxe lights, the battery packs with their chargers, the power cables, the lighting brackets, and the light stands. To set up the stand, first unscrew the knob and then pull out all three legs to start opening. Push down on the central column and tighten the screw to secure. When setting up your light stand, remember to extend the vertical columns evenly to ensure stability. To mount the Crystal Luxe light onto the light stand, you first need to connect it to the light stand bracket by screwing it onto the bottom of the light here. Then attach the light stand bracket directly onto the light stand and screw that in as well. You can loosen the knob to also adjust the position of the light. Here are some safety tips for when you use your ring light. When powering your ring light, we strongly advise that you use a power surge protector. There are two ways to power the Crystal Luxe light. The first is using the power cable, which you attach to the back of the Crystal Luxe light. Or alternatively, you can use the included battery pack, which you connect onto the back of the light by positioning it about 3/4 of the way down of the position and then press down to secure. To power the light, just press this button here to switch it on. And this button here toggles between color temperature and brightness. Just press on the up and down arrows to adjust the intensity. And press the button again to adjust the color temperature. We recommend that you use an optional sandbag on the front leg of your light stand. There are two differences between the two Crystal Luxe lights. The first is that the Crystal Luxe 9-inch is 22 centimeters and the Crystal Luxe 13-inch is 33 centimeters. The Crystal Luxe 13-inch also has a higher output because there are more LED lights. The Crystal Luxe lights can be paired with any Spectrum Aurora ring light. In this example, we're using a Gold Luxe 2 paired with two Crystal Luxe lights for a 3-point lighting system.